Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun fall or Thanksgiving centerpiece. It's so simple to make and inexpensive too. Everything I used came from Walmart and Dollar Tree except for my cute little dish, and I picked this one up at TJ Maxx Home Goods, but you can pick yours up wherever you want. And you're also going to need some foam, and my foam came from Dollar Tree. The two natural pumpkin picks are from Dollar Tree, and all of these picks that I have out right here are from Dollar Tree. The eucalyptus, the wheat picks, and I didn't use all of these flowers. I just had them out so I would have options because the vase isn't very big, so I didn't need all of them. But Dollar Tree has out some pretty fall picks, and they're starting to get out their Christmas picks too. It seems like they had a lot of them just tagged wheat because I know these came in like 3 different colors and they were just tagged wheat, and a lot of people like to see the tags, so I just wanted to show you just in case. But they look like little mini sunflowers. And then the next picks I'm going to show you, I picked them up at Walmart, and they're a Dahlia and Pumpkin Pick, Mainstays brand, and you'll need 4 of these. Dollar Tree does have some pumpkin picks too if you can't find them at Walmart, and then I didn't use that pick on the right from Walmart, but I did use some of the wheat picks on the left, and then that one in the center came from Hobby Lobby, but the pumpkin fell off, so I went ahead and used it anyways. So I just hot glued my foam in, and I wanted some more height, so I put 2 pieces together, and I just put like a wooden dowel. I just poked a hole in the center and then hot glued the foam together and put the dowel in the center just to make it a little more stable and to add some height to the arrangement. I know I'm going to get some questions about the foam. I just used what I had, and that's what I had in my stash, so that's what I ended up using. So you don't have to go out and buy new everything every time you make something. I like to reuse things, and I also like to reuse my flowers too. So I decided that I was going to add some of this raffia around the bottom, and I don't really like the way I placed it, so I would have spread it out more if I was doing it again, spread it across the whole thing of foam instead of just placing it on the sides. And then I did have to give it a haircut. It was just going all over the place and a little too long. Next, I'm taking my Dollar Tree wheat picks and I am just cutting them into shorter pieces. All of my flowers I did cut into shorter, smaller pieces, and this is just the eucalyptus piece, and I think I ended up using 3 of these total. This little arrangement is the perfect size for a dining room table, a coffee table, an entry table, maybe a guest bathroom. Lots of different places that you can place this arrangement, and I did make it pretty on both sides. Now I'm just taking the eucalyptus picks, and what I do on the left side, I usually try to do on the right side. What I place on the front, I usually place on the back. I try to do a pattern with mine, and I am pushing these into the foam that's hot glued to the bottom of the vase. If you do not want to use the raffia, you could cover the foam with some moss if you wanted to. And so I'm just starting out with the eucalyptus so it has some greenery around the bottom edge. After I add the eucalyptus, I'm going to go in with the wheat picks or the mini sunflowers and add them, and I just do a pattern with them also. Remember to leave a few pieces longer for the center so you have some height. We just took these pumpkin picks and my son cut about 2 inches off the end. So I'm placing one here on the left side, and just fluff your flowers as you go. Then I'm going to place one on the back side. So I just follow a pattern. So 4 total from Walmart. I'm placing one on the side and then one on the other side. And these pumpkin picks really fill in nicely. And then, like I said, just kind of fluff and shape as you go. And when you're choosing your floral picks, you'll want to choose a variety of different sizes, shapes, and textures. To the center, I am going to add that pick that was broken from Hobby Lobby because it just adds some height, has some fun leaves, some fun wheat, and just some unexpected like movement. So you want your arrangement to have movement, and just fluff and shape it. And so make sure you leave one a little longer for the center, and then I'm adding some of this fun spiky wheatgrass. So I love the different textures. I did add a total of 4 of the wheatgrass. I had the 2 that had more like solid green in them, so I added them too. And then last, I cut the pumpkin picks a little bit shorter. Actually, my son cut them shorter for me. So I'm adding one to the front and one to the back. And that's it, guys. This cute little fall or Thanksgiving centerpiece is finished. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you learned something. If you did, or if you enjoyed it, please let me know. I love reading y'all's comments. Y'all are so sweet, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. So I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching.